Hello YouTube, today we're going to be unboxing and giving you a quick first look at the Corsair Vengeance K70 mechanical keyboard. So let's get into this. Pretty much I picked it up for $109 Canadian on ncix.com. That was a pretty good deal considering it was a Black Friday deal. It sold out within the day, or the day after that, but it has the MX brown switches, which is what I actually wanted with it. Let's just go ahead and pop it open. And if you want to take a quick look at the packaging, it'll just tell you a little bit the switches and then the actual keyboard. It has a red LED backlit. My main rig is blue and white. The blue keyboard was like an extra $40–$30, and I honestly didn't really want to spend that much extra because I was already spending over $100. But some information there about the switches. It comes in both red and brown. And then some more information down there, like the custom keycaps it comes with, and then the wrist strap and multimedia controls. But let's get into the good stuff and unbox it. So this is the Vengeance model, which means there is two versions of this keyboard. There's the Vengeance and the Corsair Gaming. The Vengeance is the one with the sailboat logo, and the Corsair Gaming is the one with, people like to call it tram stamp logo. We just have a brown cardboard box. Sorry for all the rustling, but let's just go ahead and pull this up. So here we have the keyboard. I mean, it's fairly heavy. It's not that heavy though. I'm coming from a default Dell keyboard, which is my upgrade. Let's just go ahead and put this to the side. Included with the keyboard, you're going to get the colored buttons and then the key remover to clean it or replace the keys. And then we have some manuals for warranty, instructions, and stuff like that. And then we also have the wrist strap here. There's not much to it. It's a plastic. It's not really a soft plastic, but it doesn't feel that rough. Nice feeling. If we go ahead and unravel the keyboard, just pull off this plastic, we can get a decent look at the keyboard. So, of course, it's just black. It has a aluminum body with the plastic keycaps, and you can just give you a brief sound demo of the MX Browns. So this is just gonna be voluming it out. So they're in between the reds and the blues. So it's not gonna be ridiculously quiet, but it's also not gonna be really mushy as well. It's gonna be fairly decent balance between gaming and typing. On the keyboard we also have some media controls for stuff like that, and then the volume wheel. It's nice that they included that. And on here there is a USB port, USB pass through, and then there's the LED switch, I believe, and then a BIOS switch. Also on the bottom you have some feet for lifting it up if that's your thing. And there's a nice braided cable with, of course, the USB pass through. So you don't have to use it, but let's just say you want to hook up your phone right here or something like that, then you can just have that. So it's like a USB extension pretty much. So right now the keyboard is on. The red backlit actually looks pretty nice. I mean, like, there's some glow on the back as well, which just, you know, illuminates the entire keyboard. It is pretty bright. It's much brighter than the other cheaper LED keyboards I have owned. So overall it's a pretty decent keyboard. I mean, it looks cool. It's got some Cherry MX Brown switches, and overall, if you can find this keyboard, I think it is great, and I have some high expectations for it. That's all for now, and might be doing another video on this, so stay tuned for that, I guess. But that's all for now. Links in the description as usual, and have a nice day. See you guys later.